Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'm going to provide you a troubleshooting guide for fixing the Reflex Failed to Initialize Watchdog. Right over here, this the error right over here, and missing simple svm.sys file issues when launching the game 007 First Light. This error are often caused by Windows security settings blocking the game components. Before we do begin with this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that we need to do is by checking Windows Security Quarantine. To do that, click on your start menu right over here, type in Windows Security, click on Windows Security. Over, click on Virus and Threat Protection, Protection History. Over here, we need to find any files related to simple SVM and restore them. As for example, this could be it. So click on it, click on Action, and Restore. It should look something like this right over here. Click on Action, and then Restore. There you go. Once restored, go ahead and relaunch the game and see if the problem persists. If the problem persists, we have another solution. To do that, go ahead and click on your start menu once more. Type in device security. Click on it. Over here, click on core isolation details right over here. And for temporarily, we need to disable this as for a moment. Add administrator control will pop up. Just click on yes. Once done, we need to restart your device to take full effect. Just go ahead and restart right over here. Once the PC restart, go ahead and relaunch your game and see if the problem persists. If the problem still persists, no worries. On your Steam, go ahead and click on your Steam right over here. Library, right click on your game. Manage, browse local files. And the executable file, just go ahead and click on it, right click. And then run as administrator. Let the game launch for a second, and if the error isn't persist, just go ahead and relaunch the game, and congratulations. But no worries, we have a few last solutions to do here. Before we do that, just go ahead and right click on your game once more, click on properties, installed files, and verify integrity of game files, as this is the tools for Steam for any corrupted files or missing files. Just wait for it to finish. It might take a while though, as for the game is a big memory. Once successfully validated, close it out, relaunch your game. So the next step is by installing or repairing the Visual C++ distributable. To do that, just go ahead and go to any browser that you like, then type in C++ redistributable. Right over here, as you can see, C++ redistributable. Just click on the first official Microsoft link. Scroll down to the second table right over here and download both 86-bit and 64-bit. Once downloaded, do the installation process. Once the installation process is done, go ahead and restart your PC and it should be fixed, and successfully you can launch the game once again. Now, if you guys find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.